That was good, bro. So this year, 2026, I have the goal of helping people save 1 million collective hours, which is only 2,740 hours every single day. And I really just wish that a couple of years ago, like 1.5 years ago, that a video like this had popped up on my feed, because I would go to bed like literally, let me fucking show you. Right there. I would be laying right fucking there. Shit. There we go. Fuck. Look, shit. Anyway, so I would go to bed and I would low key not cry, but I would be fucking irritated at myself. And sometimes I would crack out a little tear, but that was not completely the screen time thing. It was more of like I'm wasting my life, and I'm gonna die at some point, and it was probably a mixture of those things. But I wish that a video like this popped up on my feed of like actionable advice. So in terms of the goal with saving 1 million collective hours of screen time this year, I just need to get 2,740 hours saved every single day. And I think every single person that goes onto the 7-day challenge that I've made, it's on the link in the description, they will save on average 1 hour every single day. So I just need to get 2,740 people in there. That's it. Then I'll achieve the goal. So if younger me saw a video like this, he probably, I'm gonna be 100% honest, he probably wouldn't even take action. He wouldn't join the community. He wouldn't start the 7-day challenge. Maybe he would, I don't know. But I'm hoping I hope that I'm giving you the motivation to start. But this is basically just me, like, kind of more of a documenting right now. And let me just fucking autistically tell you exactly what to do right now. This is exactly what you need to do if you want to save like 1 hour a day with the 7-day challenge. I have made the 7-day challenge inside the community, step by step, autistic advice. Exactly, do this step 1, do this step 2, do this step 3, do this step 3.5, do this step 4, do this. Specifically, you have an entire community of people who are on the same path as you, trying to reduce the screen time, trying to get, and also it's completely free as well. So I think I forgot to say that, but it's completely free as well. So you can chat with people, you can ask for advice, you can give advice, you can, you know how you become the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with and the 5 people that you compare yourself with. Your comparison group will slightly change more towards these people who are trying to reduce their screen time as well. So why don't you just join up, like slowly reduce your screen time, take some action, and this is exactly what you do. You click on the link just below this video. It will pop you up on a page, and you click on the yellow join group button, click on it. If you don't have an account on the website, just quickly smack a password, an email, your name, and just like quickly, boom, 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 doesn't matter, right? You're in there. You also have to answer some questions like, are you a business owner? Because if you're a business owner, then I provide extra help, because if you're a business owner, you have the money to it, you have the money for one-to-one, which I can help people even more with, and then you provide more value. And it's so this whole thing. You answer 3 questions: are you a business owner? How much time you waste in a day? And then your WhatsApp number, so that I can kind of text you. And I text you, not someone else. So far. So you join up, you're in there, you should see a post where it says like 7-day challenge. Click on it, start reading it, do the actionable steps where I'm very, very clear and explicit, where I say, do this. When you're reading this, don't be fucking bullshitting yourself. If you read these words, go actually type. And I'm like, type a comment, and then, bro, people do it. Make some fucking friends, bro. Just start getting around other people who are on a similar path as yourself. I can't stress this enough. It's so fucking valuable. I'm also telling my friend that he's trying to get into remote sales closing, like a remote sales, right? And I'm like, just get into communities with other young guys like yourself who are trying to get into that space, because you will enter the community. You will message some people, boom, what's good, bro? What's good? And then one of them is like, yo, let's hop on a call. And then you hop on a call with them. You feel the vibe, and they're like, oh yeah, bro, let's practice some objections. And then you'll say like, oh yeah, but I'm like thinking about it. And I was like, then they will practice, and you make friends. And then one of them is like, oh yeah, read this book. And then you get into it. And then there's like one of the other like people that you met who also started at the same time as you. Now he got a job. and he's making money with it. And it's like, shit, now I need to as well. So it's just, community is such a beautiful thing because of the reference group thing, and that you are the 5 people that you compare yourself to, and the 5 people that you spend the most time with. So it's just a fucking beautiful thing. So yeah, if you watch so far into this video, bro, just join. Like, you got nothing to lose. Just join. It's the link in the bio. Just click it, and yeah, join up. And yeah, have a good rest of your day. And help me save 1 million collective hours. And obviously, some of those hours will also be from you when you join. So yeah, go ahead and do that, and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.